Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook snow white mushrooms. These delicate fungi are a wonderful addition to many meals, but proper preparation is key. First, we'll focus on cleaning them correctly. Remember, mushrooms are like sponges, so we want to avoid excess water. We'll ensure they are perfectly prepped for cooking, setting the stage for a delicious dish. Now, let's get to sautéing, which is fantastic for bringing out their earthy flavor. You'll want to use a good quality fat, like olive oil or butter, heated in a spacious pan. Don't overcrowd the pan. This allows the mushrooms to brown beautifully instead of steaming. Cook them until they achieve a lovely golden hue, about 5 to 7 minutes. To truly elevate your snow white mushrooms, consider adding some simple flavor enhancements. A little salt and pepper go a long way, and don't forget aromatics like minced garlic or fresh thyme. These additions infuse the mushrooms with wonderful fragrance and taste. A small splash of dry white wine or vegetable broth can also deglaze the pan, capturing all those delicious brown bits. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious snow white mushrooms. They are incredibly versatile and can be served in many ways. Enjoy them simply as a warm side dish, or mix them into your favorite pasta, omelet, or risotto for an extra layer of flavor. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives adds a beautiful finish and a burst of freshness. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.